this video, we're going to see two easy methods to tie a slip knot. This is method number 1. You're going to form a loop here, and then the smaller end should be on the top. That is an important point to note. Then I'm going to flip it over like that, and you get a middle yarn there. And you take it over outside, pull it out, and then you have your slip knot ready. This is method number 1 for you. How to tie a slip knot for your crochet projects. Method number 2, just have your index finger and your middle finger, or you can use your index finger alone. Just wrap your yarn over to the left, over the right, form an X, to the left, over the right, once again, and then you're going to pull the left part out. Here we go. Just tighten it and you have it ready. We have the slip knot ready. We are ready for the crochet project. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe if it was helpful. Thank you. Bye.